Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So I didn't think I was getting Boxycharm anymore, but the Boxycharm, I believe base box, based on the size, arrived. So yeah, not too mad about it. I'm excited to see what's inside. So you guys all know what Boxycharm is. It's a beauty subscription. This is the base box, so I believe it's $28 unless pricing has changed again. This I believe I paid for. Yeah, I've never gotten PR from them before. I just thought my card changed, so I didn't think I was getting this anymore because I never updated it, but I don't know. I'm a little confused, but again, not mad at it. I could use some beauty stuff. I am going on a trip tomorrow, you guys, just FYI, so this will be the only video I post probably for the next week. And it just made me think of that because I'm hoping I get something I can pack with me. I'm about to pack. But let's get started. Boxycharm, beauty box. Link down below, non-affiliated. Looks like we have a theme, real life runway. Strut your runway because it's your world. We're just living in it. So it looks like we have 5 items. I still don't understand this, but C22090002 Badass is mine. I'm such a dork. Okay. Ooh, I am excited about this. I have the Better Than Sex mascara. I know I've tried this in the past, but it's been like super long time, and I know people love this. So I remember just thinking it was fine. Like I don't know. I just love my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I haven't used it in a while. I actually just opened up this Grande mascara yesterday, and it was fine. So yeah, I can't speak much to it yet. So maybe I'll open this too. No, I should wait. But I'm excited to get this. Yay! Do you guys love this? Do you really think it's better than sex? I'm in a weird mood today. I'm excited. But this is $28. So this is like the price of the box. Cool. Ooh, and I see something by Oprah. We have the Oprah Signature Palette Symphony. It has the shade name. It says, give them picture perfect eyes with this palette of melodic mauves and warm shimmers. Did I get this recently in another box and put it in a giveaway? I don't know. I might have. You know, that's fine. That means I can keep one. I'm pretty sure. I kind of want to look, but I think I got this in an Ipsy recently, but I said I was going to put it in a giveaway. So this is $32. This is pretty fall. I'm going to Chicago and Michigan tomorrow. I'm flying into Chicago, going to like Michigan for 2 days, and then, oops, you can see me. And then I'm going back to Chicago, see family, and do some fun stuff. So I'm kind of getting into the fall vibes. I had to order some sweaters because like it's still super hot here in Florida. So I'm excited. Yay. And now we have Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Sparkling lip gloss in pink sequin. Ooh. I could use some lip gloss. I have some lip oils, but I don't think I have any lip gloss. I realize like I've been giving away so much of my makeup, or I just haven't been getting as many beauty subscriptions these days. So I'm like, a lot of my stuff expired, so I did a clean. This is pretty. Let's see. $25. Give your lips a glittery glow with this sheer reflective formula that provides luminous shine and sophisticated shimmer. It can be worn alone, over your favorite lipstick, or with a lip pencil for a perfectly polished pout. Let's see. I want to smell it. Oh, it has one of those brushes. Why can't I don't know what the name would be. I don't think it has any scents. This reminds me of like, it's bringing back nostalgia. I feel like this kind of lip gloss brush I haven't seen in a while, but pretty. Doesn't seem sticky. Yeah, exactly how described. No scent. Cool. And then Tint Phantom Liner, liquid dip liner with precision tip in black. I haven't used one of these types of eyeliners in a while. Let's see. A color-rich formulation that glides onto the skin with ease and strong color payoff. This liner allows you to create eye look from subtle to strong for the perfect wing. Why am I opening it right now? Wait. Okay, there you go. I thought that was wrong. Cool. Let's do a little click. I will have to see how this goes for me. I don't wear eyeliner all the time, but I will try it out. I feel like fall, I wear more makeup, but it doesn't feel like fall where I live, but it will in Chicago. So next, ooh, I love these dewy, this whole dewy line by Ciate London. This is the Ciate London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow in the shade Dewdrop. I feel like I might have had this a long time ago. So did I say the liner was $18 and then this is $24? So it looks like. Do I have this? I don't know. I don't think I do. Whatever. We're swatch and see. Ooh, probably way more than I would use actually on me. That's pretty. I feel like my hands are dry. Usually I moisturize before I film. Oops. I like that. Ooh, you guys, I like this box. I'm glad I got this as a surprise. Got an eyeshadow palette by Oprah. The dewy highlighter. Better Than Sex. Does that smell good? Yeah, the highlight smells like coconut. Got some lip gloss. Eyeliner. I think this is fun. I think this is all like good for fall. It's like a full makeup look, pretty much. Full eye look. Yeah. Cool. I like that. I like that it's all makeup. It hasn't been all makeup in a really long time. Usually there's like some skincare, like, right? Or something random. Cool. I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? I need to look into how I got this, but I mean, maybe could a bank do that? Just update your card for you? I don't know, but I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it. Super excited. I'll probably pack some of this with me on my trip tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back. I love you so much. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, Boxycharm is linked if you aren't subscribed and aren't interested. I think it might be a referral link. You might get a free gift or something like that. It changes every month, but usually you get something like a free full-size gift if you do use a referral link, and I'd get like points on their charm shop. So thank you if you use that. Thank you for being here. Let me know how you are. And if you guys are new here, or if you're unaware, I do pick a random subscriber each month. And the first of the month, I'll post it on my community tab. I think I have still yet to hear back from the last winner. It was like a separate giveaway that was in my Ipsy video, so check on that on the community tab. But normally I post every month on the first. I pick a random video from the month, and then I pick a random comment. So in order to enter my giveaways, it's for my subscribers, so of course make sure you're subscribed, and then engage with my videos, so like and leave comments. And again, I use a random comment picker to pick the winner each month. It's my way of saying thank you for all your love and support. I really love you guys, and I appreciate you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you again for being here. I love you, and I will see you super soon. Bye.